फुलझडिया Let's go out, guys, to hunt for some tonight's meal. Into the forest. Let's hunt down some animals if possible. I'm heading to the forest with this hunting equipment. Sun has gone down, it's evening time. There is no hometown, Lagapela. And since last 2 days I have been staying all by myself, alone, no wife. Rupa is back in Thimphu. I came here for some work, and my mother has left for Shanti with kids for some southern tour. Yes. She is like a local tourist. She likes traveling around. She's almost 75 now, but she loves to travel around. So I've been alone. Last night I was by myself. So I've been at home all day. दिक्क लाग्यो गरम बस्दा बस्दा. दिउँसो त पुरा घाम लागेर सक्दैन भरिमा. अब इभिनिङमा सन डाउन, द सन हेज गन डाउन. घाम अस्तायो घाम डुब्यो, अस्तायो त. सनराइज भन्छ नि त, घाम डुब्यो. मलाई I don't know, for some reason, maybe I was some jungle man in my previous life. So I seriously, I'm not doing this for recording video, but it's another way. I was going into the forest anyways, so why not take you along with me into the forest. It's quiet and peaceful. I find so much peace in nature. It's already 5 minutes. This little bush should be alright. Even if there are some insects or rodents, for a snake. I'm all equipped with my gumboot. There's spiders. Sure, I must have been a jungle man, because in my career of like approximately around 10-12 years of my career, I have never been able to withstand corporate life or wait. There's a rat. Rat. Is that a rat or a mouse? Hey buddy, where are you heading? Wow. I got something for you to show. I catch it. And if you go around, you'll probably find so many other birds and animals. It should be alright. I'm befriending with anything. But my goodness, there's a snake. You saw that? I captured a snake, man. Whoosh. My goodness. That's pretty scary. That should be alright. I should keep going. Oh my goodness. There's a rat, there's a snake. My goodness, I'm scared, man. That has scared the shit out of me. That should be alright. I'm not that harm. Walking around with all pure mindset. Though I have mentioned, I was just joking, I wasn't here for some hunting purpose. So, animals, insects, please be my friend. I'm not here to harm you guys. Back into the nature. होइन मनले पाप चिताएको छैन नि केले पनि यो गर्दैन अरे आफूले अट्याक गर्दैन हार्म गर्दैन अरे सो with that mindset I'm walking around this dangerous bush supposedly, but I myself trying to give in to the emptiness of the universe. So even if I die, I am ready to accept whatever is there to happen or whatever is gonna happen. That's okay. Yeah. I have also recorded many of the videos this way. I think twice before, but when I have shown this Simane Khola, I have also told you, I think I told you this before. Simane Khola is a boundary river, basically. Boundary or border, in whatever way you can understand by yourself. Those who know Nepali, English being not my first language, of course I am not very good, excellent, but good enough to communicate. That's it. So I'm choosing to communicate with you guys in English just because English is more universally accepted. Not even in terms of acceptance, it's about understanding. Many people do understand English, at least. So just trying to communicate with everyone beyond borders. Just crossed Simanakala, and now I am into this beautiful lush green with the stunning scenery of Gombatar. If you have been following my video, then this was the place last Happy New Year we celebrated in this very ground. This is the spot. Oh. This spot kept calling me every now and then. This little hut made by the cow herders, animal herders. What's the time now? It's 12 minutes already. Well, let's explore this. Let's go up there to the mountain, hilltop, not mountain. Probably no animals hiding here in the bush as well. It's clear, looks like people are walking around. Only thing is, sometimes I have to be cautious. Sometimes people set trap here for the wild animals, and I don't want to be victim of those people. So since this is a place where wild animals travel around, I don't know, somebody has cut down this tree. This is government land, so people shouldn't be doing this, but I don't know if it is done by some authority. And someone else has dug up here. There are traces of some animals or human that has come recently. Is everything all right? Up on the top of Gombatar. Hope no snakes again. I don't want to step on them. I hope I won't be attacked by some animals as well. I had this weapon with me. I don't know if I would be able to use in case of emergency. This is the ruins of old Gemba here, and that too I have shown in my previous videos. Only thing is, I get scared of snakes. Up there is a Balukop. There's a beautiful land up there with a plain playground, and also there's one last house, but it's been abandoned. They just do cultivation, and the people have settled down in the lower hill, but I can hear people going around. Gumatar. And up those valleys are Baise, Botbote, and in recent year the power cable has been taken all the way to the Samaizinka or somewhere. I'm not so sure. You can feel these new routes, so I better get going back. I'm hopeless, objectiveless guy, just wandering around here in this mundane samsara. So no objective as such. Man with no objective has no desire for anything. Of course, I am not desireless guy, but much lesser in so many ways. And when I say that, I'm not claiming myself to be a very irresponsible person. Just trying to what's that? I heard some footstep. Yeah, I was saying I was very bad at my job. I find it very difficult to get along with people with I can see kalis, jungle bird. I don't know what you call it. Let me try to capture if it's possible. Kalis is a kalis. Shadi du tha lam lam panalu. One thing about walking in nature all by yourself is that it makes you feel, for me personally, this vast space of nature make me realize that how tiny speck of individual I am, yet feel so connected to the nature. And to frank, for almost 2 years now, I left Australia and returned back all for this. While I was there, I was pretty much depressed with my job, work life, running after some mundane, futile goals. So back then I was like, I had some ailments with my back pains and a body ache, terrible back pain. Those of you know, while I was down there, you must be remembering, if you recall, that I used to complain of my back pains and so many body ache, joints pain and everything. But in last almost 2 years now, I've been trying to keep myself free from everything, all of this so-called objectives and goals in life. And seriously, I have a drastic improvement in my body. What you may call it, a healing effect or something like that. Now I don't have back pains and everything is gone. I feel so free. And some of you, those who take life too seriously, but it's up to you. Who am I to pass on judgment or give you advice? But just sharing my experience. Nothing in life is so serious as it appears to be, as it sounds to be. Yeah, let's not get into that. Not many people will like this, but those who are into Verge of Turning Point, you of course will definitely know the moment I get into this kind of topic. I'm nobody to give a gyan, but all I experience is that there's a healing effect in your body, mind, whatever you call it. And I have somehow turned out to be a fearless man as well. Not fearing so much from life. Not even from so many wild animals and everything. Once you accept the consequences, whatever comes, once you begin to accept life in its totality or in a holistic view, everything dissolves, man. यो चाहिँ म गोमबाटारको यतापट्टिको सबै छ। I remember they used to have, when I was around 6 or 7, I used to come here, around here. They used to have a ruins of house in this plain area. I don't know if they still exist that. It used to be this place, but there was a house back in the 90s. There's a bird. Look at this beautiful bird. यहाँनिर घर हुन्थ्यो एक टाइममा नि घरको रेन्सी एरियामा गोमटारकै तर्फै ग्राउन्डमा but I can't look at the ruins. By the way, back in the days, somewhere during before 90s, this forest used to be a land for cultivation. They used to cultivate here wheat, paddy, not paddy, maize and potatoes, everything. This place used to be all plowed and clear for cultivation purpose. Now the thing has been abandoned, so there is everything is covered by bushes and these trees. In one way it's good for nature, it's getting to thrive, and nature could express itself to its fullest. Sometimes it feels like nature is showcasing a grand show for us. And in last maybe previous year or so, people have come up with a archery playground here just above this Gombatar. There's another target up there and one here, and just up there the farm road has come up. Maybe we'll walk around. My goodness, what is this life, man? It's mysterious, no definition. Whatever definition you make it, it's just coming out of your deluded idea of what you have learned from deluded people. Mine has been defiled by all deluded ideas. So, as a firm believers of Buddhism, of Buddhist philosophy, the whole purpose of this life is not to be rich, not to be famous, neither to be powerful person, but to get rid of this deluded idea of life and experience the blissfulness of pure beings. But I don't know what that is. I'm yet to discover. And for now, that's it for now. Maybe today's vlog is a bit long. I'm not just out for vlogging, but I was anyways coming out into expedition of nature. So yeah, I thought, why not take you along with me to explore as I see it with my eyes. You can also see it through my lens. Bye bye, thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, Take care and bye-bye. Whew.